Good, but I like a lot how you're taking a full swing now, because automatically that right there, that's one less variable you have to try to figure out. And so then all you're from there and through practice, and this would be really good to like write in the journal, you know, because alongside the other yardages that you probably know by heart, because you know if you're 50 degrees out, or sorry, 50 yards out, what club do you hit?
Probably 50.
50, and you probably take some kind of half swing or whatever. You know that.
Yeah.
So this is going to take a little bit of practice to know that, but writing it down in a journal is perfect. So you say, you know, what I would do is, you know, line up 10 golf balls, you know, and then try to figure out what distance each distance behind the ball to each club goes.
Okay.
So say we're about what, maybe 20 yards to this thing. So you know a full swing with a 60-degree wedge, if you hit an inch and a half behind the ball, that's going to go this 20 yards. And then depending on what kind of shot you find out on the course, you might see, okay, if I take a full swing, I hit 2.5 inches behind the ball. With the 54, it's going to be a little bit more of a run swing. So it changes the different kind of shots that you can figure out how to play, right?
Yeah.
And then, like we've talked about a little earlier, and you're noticing as we have to hit a little closer to the ball with the full swing, you're getting a lot more control on the ball. So if we're taking a full swing, you're getting a lot more control of how that ball lands and how much spin that ball has. The lesson today, work on the 2 drills I showed you real hard.
Yep.
And I think between, you know, within the next week or so, whenever we meet next, I think you'll see huge improvement. And if you play between when we meet next, I think you'll see huge improvement out on the course. I'm hoping, you know, maybe not for the lesson's sake, but try to get out and go play with you and see how you're doing, and maybe bring the camera and we can have a couple chats about things on the course. But I'd love to see how you progress, especially if you really put the time in and practice it. Maybe come up, I don't want to set it for you, but come up with some kind of goal. I want to make 25 in the Tiger Woods thing we set up, and I want to make all 12 or whatever with the drill, and then step that back a foot, and then, you know, just keep grinding on it. Like we said, it simulates that
competition.
Yeah, exactly. Which